You know what's mind-blowing? There are actual communities out there that can discriminate based on age. Okay, maybe discriminate is a harsh word, but there's a federal housing act called HOPA, Housing for Older Persons Act, and within that, you can legally make 55 plus communities, meaning at least 80% of the occupants have to be 55 or older. Interesting, right? And this home for sale in Dallas, Oregon is one of those 55 plus communities, and a rather nice community at that. So many of these parks charge rent and they don't offer anything back, but this community has one of the nicest clubhouses that I've seen. They have community gatherings, people get together, they do puzzles together, they get together and play board games. There's even a pool table, and if you need quiet time, there's a fully stocked library with comfy reading chairs. I was also impressed by how many books they had. Some of the books were even pretty spicy, if you get my meaning here. They also have a pool, which, okay, to be fair, in Oregon, that means you have a pool for 3 months max. But hey, the nice thing about this home is that it's nearly 1,600 square feet, which is why you're seeing so much space, like this family room right here. This unit also has a fully fenced backyard, which is great if you have a doggy. And they went with the low maintenance landscaping, so it looks nice without honestly much work. I mean, there's a bunch of ferns, how often do you have to prune them? And the carport has 2 parking spots and rather a giant storage shed. You also get this amazing Japanese maple. What I do also like about this place is with this amount of square feet, you get a full second bath, you get a decent sized second and third bedroom, so you got options like a crafting room, or hey, a guest room if you'd like visitors. Anyway, if you want to see this home in person, let me know and let's go. As always, good luck on your property search.